Hey everyone, I'm T Frank and I'm back with another video. And in today's video, I wanted to go ahead and show you how I use the multifunction bar on the Canon EOS R. Prior to buying this camera, I heard a lot of people say that they hated this and they don't use it at all. I actually have found a use for it and I don't have any issues with accidentally touching this while I'm shooting. So in today's video, I want to go ahead and show you the steps to setting the multifunction bar up. Alright, so I'm going to take you through the settings so that I can show you how to set this up. So the first thing that you want to do, it really doesn't matter what mode you're in, you're going to go ahead and hit menu. Once you hit menu, you're going to go to that fifth tab at the top that looks like a little camera icon. So you should see it here where I'm pointing. You can either use this D-pad here or the touch screen. I'm going to go ahead and use the D-pad and the set button to select the things that I would like to select. Once you do that, you're going to go and click on where it says the number 4 here. And then you should see customize multifunction bar. We'll customize M-FN bar. You're gonna go ahead and click on set. And then where it says white balance here at the top, I'm gonna go ahead and click on white balance. And then you're gonna go ahead and hit set again. And this is where you assign shooting functions. So if you want ISO speed, white balance, check focus / display info, movie recording, you have flexible priority AE, you have AF, you have user customization, or you can have it as not assigned. I'm going to go ahead and keep it at white balance because I found that that actually is the most useful for me. Now I'm going to go down to underneath that where it says WB, so that's white balance. If you look at the demonstration, it's showing you if you slide your hand back and forth, it's actually going to change your white balance. Now, if you wanted to enable left tap and right tap, you can see these options here. I'm going to go ahead and select this just so you can see what options come up. If you want that enabled, you can actually go in here and select one of these options. I'm actually going to leave it as it is, and I'm going to show you how this works for me. So I'm going to go ahead and get out of here. And then I want you to take a quick notice. If you see underneath here, the multifunction bar, the safety lock, I have it as disabled right now. I want to show you how this works when this is disabled. So I'm going to go ahead and get out of here. And this is as if I was really shooting. And I want to show you now, since I don't have the safety lock on, if I hit this, it's going to change my white balance. So hopefully you can see the white balance changing at the bottom. And it's changing easily like this because I don't have the lock on. So now we're going to go back and I'm going to show you how to put that lock on, and I'll show you what it looks like once you have the lock on. So we're going to go back through the same steps. You're going to hit menu here. Then it should already be where you need to be. So you're going to go customize multifunction bar. Once you do that, you're going to go ahead and enable the safety lock. So once it's enabled, I'll actually show you how that works. So I'm going to go ahead and get out of here so I can show you what it looks like. So because the safety lock is enabled, if I just touch this, it's not going to do anything. Now, if I want to go ahead and use my multifunction bar like I set it up, you actually have to press and hold. You see that it says on? Now that it says on, I can actually scroll through and change my white balance. So all of those claims about YouTubers accidentally hitting this and it changing their settings is all because they did not set the safety lock. Okay, so that is how you can prevent the accidental taps. So now I'm going to go back and then I'm going to show you the function shortcut. Another thing that I like to use this for is to scroll through my pictures. Now I'm going to go ahead and show you the function shortcut. Go ahead and click on where it says function shortcut. And then if you scroll down to this first one where it shows you swiping back and forth on the multifunction bar, this is swipe to browse images. So I'm going to leave it as that. But I will go ahead and click on it so I can show you what options come up. So you can either swipe to browse images or you can just turn it off. So I'm going to leave that. So hit OK. Here, this is actually, I have this set to rate my photos. So I'm actually just testing this out. So here you see rating, or you can use it to protect your images. But I'll be honest, I had this on by default some kind of way, and it drove me insane because I was protecting images and not really on purpose. So I don't really recommend that one unless that's something that you really want to do. So I've been using it for the rating. So when I hit the left tap, it should allow me to rate my pictures. And then for the right tap, I just went ahead and I left that off. So I'm gonna go ahead and get out of here so I can show you guys what this looks like. So to scroll through my pictures, I'm gonna go ahead and hit this. So in order for this to happen, you have to be in the playback setting. So once you're in the playback setting, you can actually use this to scroll through your pictures. So I have a ton of pictures of my son. Excuse those pictures. And then if you want to rate the pictures, what you do is a left tap. So left tap, and you should see the little star rating up here. So if I do another tap, 2 stars, 3 stars, and so on and so forth. So I really think that it is a great function on here. I think the multifunction bar can be useful if you know how to set it up right. I don't have a lot of the issues that a lot of YouTubers complained about. So in this video, I wanted to go ahead and show you these things so that you can make an informed decision if you choose to buy this camera. Hopefully you guys have found this video helpful. And if you have, please do leave me a like and a comment down below. Thank you guys for taking the time to watch this video. I'm T Frank, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Peace.